Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My _ 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. It's Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday. So anyway, before we get to that, I want to show you the footage from yesterday. We did have a severe thunderstorm. It's actually a surprise severe thunderstorm ever yesterday. So yeah, take a look at this footage. Oh my guys, one severe thunderstorm warning until 5:30. So I don't know what the heck is going on here. I don't know. I think it's very stationary right now. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Just came out of nowhere, guys. Surprise severe thunderstorm warning. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be terrible. This is going to be terrible. Oh boy, this is bad. This is really bad. I don't know, guys. What is severe thunderstorm? It's gonna come down, man. It's gonna come down. I live in the southwest Wichita, but I believe it's East Central County, but it's gonna be near Wichita around 4:45, and now South Wichita around 4:50. I don't know. It's gonna hit our house, but we live in Southwest Wichita, so we're not on yellow. So the East Central County is white on yellow here, so it's near stationary, man. It's real stationary. I believe the severe thunderstorm warning has been cancelled, so yeah, but right now it is still stormy, so I don't know what's going on. So yeah, I think we're covered. Finally freed, but right now it is still stormy, so praise the Lord. And there you go, guys. That is what happens in regards to severe thunderstorm. So right now it is the next morning, so I just woke up, went on my Switch, and do some Animal Crossing New Horizons, which the video has already been out, so yeah. But anyway, gonna relax for a little bit, watch some YouTube, and maybe watch some Apple TV, I don't know. Because today I might get a blood work, and also we might go to the zoo. So yeah, because they're doing a Twilight hour thing. So the zoo opens until 8:30, and also I want to check out the new zoo entrance, because during construction we went on at the zoo while the zoo is under construction. So yeah, but I can't wait to see the zoo's new entrance here. So yeah, we'll find out on this vlog today. Guess what? CDC requires 40 vaccinated people resuming mass policy. Right, Mom? Yeah. Yeah, because, I don't know, I think there's a new variant, so we have to start wearing masks again. Right, Mom? Mm-hmm. This is gonna be bad. 2.6, what do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I'm still in range.
Yeah.
And what you got, Mom?
Mountain Dews.
So yeah, we need some drinks because there's a heat going on. Why, Mom?
Yes.
There's a heat going on. You can't believe it. Look at this. 99 degrees. Can you believe that?
No, I can't believe that.
Check it out. New trailer for the J Team coming to Paramount Plus. Look at that. Alright guys, so I got home, done a little wardrobe change. So earlier I wore no sweaty shirt and I got frozen hot chocolate on me. So I switched to the other edible crossing shirt. Look at that. I did change it, and also I'm washing a mask. So yeah, but right now I'm just chilling in a recliner, playing some video games here before we actually go to the zoo tonight because we're doing Twilight Tuesday. So this is actually the last Twilight Tuesday in July. So yeah, right now I'm just chilling with my fan on, playing some video games, and yeah. And also I'm still wearing shorts. And also earlier I did wear Crocs, but tonight I'm wearing Crocs again. So yeah, done a little bit of a wardrobe change here. So yeah, just chilling. Look at that, and I keep up the planes, Mom. Look at that.
I like it.
New zoo entrance. Look at that, the new entrance is open, the membership lane and tickets lane. Look at this, you guys. Everything is new. Look at that, new entrance.
Come on.
Alright guys, so we made it to the Central County Zoo. So the new zoo entrance has opened. So during construction, they used the temporary entrance, and now the new zoo entrance is opened. So right now I'm standing in the restroom because whilst Mom and Harlow are using the restroom, and then after that, we gotta see some animals. Yeah. That's Ross. He just came out of the restroom. So anyway, once my mom and Harlow gets out, we're gonna see some animals. So today is the last day of Twilight Tuesday in July, because we know it's getting close to August. So yeah, today's the last day of Twilight Tuesday. So the Central County Zoo opens later than 5 o'clock. So yeah.
All right.
But right now it's Twilight Tuesday, so the zoo stays open until 8:30.
This is the last one.
So yeah, this is the last one.
Twilight
Yeah.
Tuesday, the last one of the month.
So yeah, the zoo opens until 8:30. So yeah,
Last one of the summer.
that's one of the summer.
Right.
Let's see some animals.
Try to find one.
I don't see anybody. Don't see any chimpanzee. I don't see any chimpanzee. Look at that. That's the baby.
There's
and the
baby
mama.
right there.
That's the baby and the mama and the chimpanzee.
Can you look me up?
Look at that.
Can't
Can't
see
see it.
it.
Well, I don't see any lions
It's
there.
art. We're
But
looking for him.
really nice.
We're going on a
They're warhogs. Look at that.
I like them. They look super pretty.
The warhogs. Look at that.
I like
Warhogs.
my
It does work.
Go wear a
You just
seatbelt.
gonna push it up. Good
Because
enough.
even though I didn't want to fall off the wheelchair, so I decided to wear a seatbelt.
Put it back.
So I did came up the wheelchair, so I didn't want to fall off.
Been over there.
So always wear the seatbelt just in case there's bumpies. So yeah, always wear a seatbelt.
Yeah.
He's eating. Oh, you can see
Oh
that.
wow, look at that.
Look at that. It's coming to you.
Wow.
Look at that.
This is so cool.
Look at those cute things.
Look at that.
Once upon a time we found that fascinating too,
like-
didn't we, Trina?
Hello, it's
Alright,
petting the
let's go Twilight.
statues.
Go ahead and go up there with her. Have her put her. I put her on there before.
Look at that, man. Look at that.
Is Trina?
Look at that
Your card.
elephant.
Here,
Wow.
lean forward. There's one over there too.
Look at that.
Over there, Trina.
Look at that, just over there. Look at that.
Trina.
Look
Oh,
at
there's
that.
more over here, Trina.
Oh yeah, there's more right there. And there's more right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Look
Just
at
don't
that.
go over.
Look at this.
Oh, there's one right there. Right there.
Oh,
Right there.
oh look,
Right there. That's very close.
it's very close. Look
Man,
at
there's
that.
tons out here.
It's very close. Oh my.
Oh, there's his nose. He's looking for more food.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh, look at his ears.
Wow.
I think he might fly.
I'm telling you guys, it looks like Axel from Animal Crossing. What do you think?
I think it does.
So yeah, I played Animal Crossing a lot.
Yeah.
So Hollow and Mom are at the playground. Bean Ross are seeing gorillas. What do you think? Yeah, gorillas. Look at that. There is the gorilla. Look at that. Look at that. There is a rabbit. Yeah, I see it. There is a rabbit at the gorilla exhibit. Oh man. There's no rabbit to the gorillas. Look at that. Look at this. Does that look familiar, guys? It's like Hollow's playing on the playground. But I don't see Hollow anywhere. Look at that. That's a playground. Look at that bear. Taking it down. Wow. Look at that. Look at this. Wow.
Look at him. I think they had a baby giraffe.
Look at that.
Didn't they have a baby?
Wow.
No, we have
Look
to wait till
at
it's
that.
feeding time.
One of Joey's buddies
Look at that.
makes
Come
like
here, Jackie.
$250,000 a year, and all he's
Wow. Check it out. Dude, it's brand new. What's so brand new?
Yeah.
Look at this store. Look at that. It is modern design. Look at that. Modern. Everything's modern. Look at this design. And there is the exit right there. Look at this. I tell you, this is so cool. Alright guys, so we're back home. So it is 9:11 right now. So I believe we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog. So we probably won't see Hollow until next week because Hollow might be out of town with Hollow's mom. So I guess it's just me and my family. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So on my way home, I did watch it to the Dollarys, done some Olympic stuff. So yeah, I watched it on the way home. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the zoo vlog, because even though tonight is the last day of the Twilight Tuesday in July, because August is coming up. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what are the favorite animals that you like from the zoo. I mean, the zoo has a new entrance. I mean, there is a new gift shop, there is a new entrance, there is a new membership line, a new ticket line. So, yeah, this is pretty nice. So, anyway, let me know in the comments down below. And make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, as all adventures want to be. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Oh, so before I say goodnight, as you all know, this weekend, we might go to Texas, but unfortunately, my friend Divya from Texas, they have to reschedule the wedding, so you're probably not going to see the wedding vlog just yet. So just be patient, guys. So my friend is still getting married, so yeah, I do apologize for that. So probably to see that vlog maybe this weekend. I don't know. We'll see. So by the way, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Camp 17's channel. Until next time, peace.